Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to email the Supercell team if you wish to contact for support. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. And once you open it up, tap on the search box and just type in Supercell and start your search. You will now see the list of various different games from Supercell. Just tap on any one of these games until you see the app support button. Tap on the drop-down menu and tap on the email address that you see. Once you tap on this email, you can just choose your email app, and now you can directly start composing your email. Make sure you use the account that you used while signing up for your Supercell ID to send this email. Then within the subject section, just type in the subject of your query. You can fill up with the details within the main body section and then tap on the send button at the top right corner to send your email to the support team. Once the support team receives your email and they go through it, you will get a response within a few days, and all of your queries will be answered within this response email. And there you have it. That is how you can email the Supercell support team. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.